Imagine finding a business worth rupees 100 but the stock market is selling it for only rupees 25. Most people would still ignore it because share price is falling. But Warren Buffett saw exactly this kind of opportunities in Washington Post company. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so we can reach 1000 subscribers. Thank you very much. This one investment explains one of the most powerful ideas in investing. Buying $1 for 25 cents. Sounds simple, but very few investors have the patience, courage, and discipline to actually do it. In early 1970s, America was going through fear, inflation, political tension, and weak stock market. The Washington Post was a respected media business. It owned one of the America's most influential newspaper. It also had valuable television station and other media asset. The stock market was treating it like a broken company. Buffett studied the business deeply. He believed the company's real value was far higher than its market price. His estimate was simple but powerful. If the whole business could be worth around 400 to 500 million dollar privately, but the stock market was valuing it nearly 100 million dollar, then the market was making huge mistake. And this is where the real story start. Buffett was not buying a cheap looking stock. He was buying a valuable business at a foolish price. Most investors completely miss this difference. A stock that has fallen is not automatically cheap. A low PE stock is not automatically undervalued. A company is truly undervalued only when its business value is clearly higher than its market price. That gap is called margin of safety. Think of it like buying a house worth rupees 1 crore rupees for 25 lakhs. Even if your estimate is slightly wrong, you still have protection. That is deep value investing. But here is the shocking part. Buffett's investment did not immediately make him rich. The stock price went down after he bought it. Many investors would have panicked. They would have said, maybe I was wrong. But Buffett focused on business value, not daily price movement. This is the biggest difference between investor and speculator. A speculator asks, will the stock price go up next week? The real business or the real investor asks, what is the business actually worth? The Washington Post also had something more than number. It had trust, it has influence, brand power, and scare media asset. In those days, newspaper and television station had strong local dominance. They were not easy to replace. Advertising money flowed to them. Reader trusted them. Competitor could not easily build the same position overnight. That gave the business a moat. But Buffett also understood the risk. Media business depend on advertising cycle, management quality, and public trust. If brand get damaged, value can disappear. So deep value is not blindly buying. It requires careful judgment. This is why many investors fail at value investing. They see a stock down 50% and call it cheap. But sometimes a stock falls because the business is permanently damaged. Buffett's genius was identifying the difference between temporary fear and permanent destruction. The Washington Post was not a dying asset at that time. It was strong business or strong asset being mispriced by a fearful market. And over the years, this investment became one of the Buffett's legendary win. The lesson for Indian investor is very very clear. Whether you are looking at bank, an FMCG company, an auto company, or a media business, do not ask only is the stock down. Ask is the business worth much more than market price. If yes, and if the business quality is stronger, then fear can become opportunity. But if the business itself is weak, then the falling price can become a trap. So remember this, deep value investing is not buying garbage at a discount. It is about buying real value when the market is too scared to recognize it. Buffett did not become rich by predicting tomorrow's stock price. He became rich by understanding business value better than crowd. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment your opinion. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.